Welcome to the Stanford Public Schools website tutorials, a new resource to help all Stanford families find the news and information they need on our district website. All SPS websites are powered by Google Translate. Simply select your language of choice from the menu in the top right to instantly translate the website for easy navigation. This is Tutorial 1, Parent University. Stanford Public Schools encourages all families to become familiar with our teaching and learning resources. This section can be accessed from the district homepage via either the right tab or from the Quick Links button on the left. This section is filled with digital resources and information in support of your child's school experience. Teaching and learning resources include messages from our superintendent, COVID-19 information, school-specific online resources, as well as a link to our news section, SPS Parent University. Parent University is designed to engage families and provide easy access to online support services. Here you can find links to all of our parent pop-up webinars. Videos and presentations are posted in both English and Spanish. Parent University also includes an extensive list of videos, tutorials, and links to support and educate both parents and students about the technology that is used within our classrooms. For our English language learners, the videos are also provided in Spanish. Families who need additional support from someone at their districted school can find contact information for parent facilitators and school counselors. Parent University is also a great place to find answers to many of the most frequently asked questions. We encourage all Stanford Public School families to explore Parent University and our entire teaching and learning website. We hope you will use these resources to support your child in developing productive habits of mind, body, and heart.